right, guys, this may be the best value on Microsoft Flight Simulator ever. I feel this aircraft could have easily demanded $25, maybe even $30. It's gorgeous. It flies phenomenal. I can't go so far as to say it's better than the Spitfire, but it's amazing. Let's get right into this tutorial. There's not much here, guys. It's very easy. Settings isn't going to do much for you on this little iPad type of thing. Basically, the only options you can do, which I am very appreciative of, is open them all these engine compartments, gun compartments in the wings. It just looks phenomenal. Again, you can start the aircraft and watch the flames come out with all compartments open. When you start to fly, they'll automatically shut, okay? Just look at this thing, man. I mean, this chrome one that says U.S. Army on the bottom. Look at the engine wide open. $10, guys. I'm blown away. This is like setting a new standard for our game. I mean, it's just gorgeous, guys. Look at the engine up close. You'll see flames come out, like I said, every single time. As to where the Spitfire, you don't know if you're going to see them or not. You got tie downs. Like I said, gun compartments in the wings to see. You're not going to see guns on Xbox. You can open the cab and you can fly like that. It's just phenomenal. In terms of the manually starting it, it's extremely easy. There's 2 buttons. I'm not going to manually start it today. It takes a half a second. I'm just going to auto start it like I usually do. Let's listen to this engine, baby. Honestly, that might be the best sounding startup in the game, guys. The Hellcat previously was my first. There's good startup planes in this, don't get me wrong. But that is a heck of a good startup. I want to get into the tutorial part of this video. Excuse me. So to take off, the easiest way I found of taking off about 10 times is you can just go ahead and go full throttle if you would like. I ease up a little and then just full throttle and then hold down, as you're going to see me do right here. So hold down after you full throttle. I'm kind of pressing the gas right now, getting it going, make sure the parking brake's off, and then I just go on ahead and put it in full throttle. And then I'm holding down for a long time so it doesn't spin off. Now, it's going to spin a little bit. That's what these aircraft do, these propeller planes. But I'm holding down, then I let it up. See, it barely went right. I got pretty good control of it now. So that's the way you'll want to do. Hold down to almost the very end, then let it go. Rise up, gear up, and it's just great. I don't want to yap too much during this video because there's just not a whole lot to say in terms of the tutorial. It's really that simple. I'm also going to add a fuel tank at the bottom to show you guys what that looks like. We're in Tampa right now. This aircraft's great to fly off of grass. By the way, the sound and flying is just phenomenal. I'm going to go over to the Sunshine Bridge in Tampa. We're going to fly under that a couple times. I'm going to show you the roll rate, and then we'll come back for the landing. So, all right, guys, we're coming in for the landing on the field which I took off of. As you can see, my preference is to put the flaps down to slow it even more. I usually do that on propeller aircraft and some airliners. I put the flaps down, and that's also going to kind of raise it up when you get down to the grass here. But you're going to want to try to go as slow as you possibly can. It will bounce if you go too fast. And what I do here is right when I get down, I try to hold down right away as soon as I can. So as we can see, no bounces really, and then I'm holding down as best I can and applying the brake. There you go. Pretty steady. Not the most difficult to land, as like the P-51 Mustang is extremely hard to land. This aircraft, guys, is a overall ranking. I would have to give this almost a 9, man. I can't really find any flaws in it yet. I need to fly it more. The sound of it, everything, the way it looks, I almost a 9.5 given the price. I have no idea why they charged us $10, guys. What a bargain. Just makes me proud. I'll pay $10 every single day of my life for an aircraft this quality. Great sound, great price, great flying, great maneuverability, can go inverted, roll rate's phenomenal, and steady, man. Look, bro, make it a great flying day and go get you the P-40 Warhawk later.